Good day to all employers. I'm Kathleen Gising, 31 years of age. I'm single, no kids, college graduate. I'm honest, patient, hardworking, love cooking, and energetic and independent. I have experience in Doha, Qatar for 2 years. I took care of a baby, 8 months old, feed him, make him milk, bring him to sleep, play with him, cook him food, and then sometimes we share job also with the other helper. I also took care 7 years old boy with autism. I bring him to school, feed him, play with him, bring them to the park together with other helpers and uh, his brothers also. And then I'm doing also household chores, um, uh, uh, hand washing. And then in my second employer, I took care of two girls, 5 years old and 9 years old. I bring them to school bus, and also sometimes pick them up and cook them lunch, breakfast, and dinner, and then bring them to other lesson, music lesson, ballet lesson, dancing lesson, and then also uh, I'm doing marketing, cleaning, and doing laundry, sometimes hand washing if the house is if the clothes is very important. In my third employer, I'm doing only household chores, um, cleaning, uh, car washing, laundry, washing the dishes, and then also can cook Chinese food, tomato and egg fry, sliced beef with onion, beef steak, Chinese mapo tofu, steamed fish, steamed chicken, steamed pork with ribs, pork soup, carrot soup, corn soup, fried fish and meat eggs, steamed pork with liver. If you will hire me, I will do my best to finish my duty and follow the rules, and I will promise to finish my contract. And if you will choose me as your help, if you choose me as your I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.